Thank you, John. With that rich platform, a natural use for this system is in the area of voice recognition. For this segment of the discussion, we have asked Mr. Blaine Tate to join us. Blaine is the product administrator in EduQuest headquarters for speech recognition products. Welcome, Blaine.
Thank you, Karen. There are many offerings on the market which say they do voice recognition. However, there's a big difference among them. The one you choose will depend on your needs and your operating system environment. The simplest type is called Command and Control. This permits a user who is working on a graphical user interface, such as Windows or OS/2, to give verbal commands to the workstation to start, control, and interact with the programs. You use a limited vocabulary on these types of voice recognition products. 64 words is common. Let's take a look. In this example of Command and Control, the user navigates through Windows with his mouth rather than his mouse. Bring up right. Bring up clock. Close. 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 The next type of voice recognition is dictation. VoiceType is a software product which runs under DOS, Windows, and OS/2 2.0. The system has a large 7,000-word speaker-dependent vocabulary. Now is the time for all good educators to come to the aid of EduQuest, period. When you first start using the voice recognition tools, you go through a process where you actually train the computer to understand your voice patterns. The system continues to learn your unique voice as you use it more frequently. This is called speaker dependent. A more advanced dictation system is an IBM development. It is called IBM Speech Server Series, or ICSS, and it checks for context as well. Let me show you what I mean. Mrs. Wright needs to write Mr. Wright right now, period. 2 hours is too long for a meeting according to our attendees, period. That's 3 different types of twos and 2 different types of hours, all which sound the same. This would be a difficult sentence for a less sophisticated speech recognition system, but ICSS provides contextual analysis to permit the system to create the correct sentence from its 20,000-word active vocabulary. This type of voice recognition is supported by IBM's AIX and the OS/2 operating systems. The next type of voice recognition is also a development of IBM, IBM's Continuous Speech System, better known as ICSS. It allows users to talk in a continuous natural fashion and is speaker independent. It contains a 20,000-word vocabulary in which 1,000 words are active at a time. It accommodates accents and dialects as well. Let me show you a prototype. This is a prototype application that is an English to Spanish translator. How much will it cost?
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Where's the police station?
¿Dónde queda la estación de policía?
Now one word different. Where's the train station?
¿Dónde queda la estación del tren?
ICSS was demonstrated at the 1992 Comdex show and won a Best in Show award. It runs under OS/2 and supports the Multimedia Presentation Manager. The EduQuest Educational Computer audio subsystem provides the necessary hardware to support ICSS. As a programmer's toolkit, ICSS can provide speech capabilities in existing applications and future courseware.
Blaine, thank you for that